Tonight we're hearing from a Tucson criminal defense attorney who is publicly identifying his client as the person who's been recently detained, questioned, and then released in the ongoing Nancy Guthrie kidnapping investigation. In a statement, 37-year-old Luke Daly's defense attorney, Chris Scalepi, said, quote, Scalepi Law can confirm that Luke Daly was the subject of 2 search warrants issued and served on February 13, 2026. Mr. Daly and his mother were both detained by law enforcement while these search warrants were being executed. Neither Mr. Daly nor his mother were arrested in connection to this case or any other. Mr. Daly has no link whatsoever to Nancy Guthrie and has no information related to her kidnapping. Like the entire Tucson community, both Mr. Daly and his mother are hopeful that Nancy will be returned to her family unharmed. This right here is video from both of those scenes that shows the 2 search warrants being served, one at Daly's mother's home, just 2 miles away from Nancy Guthrie's own home. We also have video from the second search warrant that was served at a nearby Culver's restaurant on a Range Rover in the area. Now, Sheriff Chris Nanos told 12 News that he got evidence presented to a federal judge. He then received both search warrants back signed, and they processed both scenes. He said that these search warrants were done not only in search of suspects, but also in search of Nancy herself.
Nancy wasn't there. The person of interest gave us a statement, gave us his, whatever the warrant was for, maybe petition for physical characteristics of buccal swabs or photos or finger. We got everything we needed, and he is set free. Now, does that mean he's not a suspect any longer? No, we'll do our work. We've got evidence to process from the home. What if we find Nancy's DNA in that home?
Now, Luke Daly does have a pretty lengthy criminal history down in Pima County. He was arrested in 2022. He was convicted of drug distribution charges and was sentenced to 4 years on probation. Then in early 2025, he was arrested again by Marana police in possession of both fentanyl and a gun. A judge continued him on probation even after his probation officer petitioned to revoke his probation. Again, Luke Daly and his attorneys say they have nothing to do whatsoever with the Nancy Guthrie kidnapping.